In this lesson, we'll learn the characters sa, shi, su, se, so. The first character we'll learn is sa. 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 Which of these characters is sa? Sa. Saikoro. Saikoro. Sign. Sign. The next character we'll learn is shi. 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 Note that the character shi looks very similar to the character tsu. When writing shi, you'll want to make sure that the first two strokes are horizontal and the third stroke is written from the bottom up. Which of these characters is shi? Shi. Russia. Russia. Sheets. Sheets. The next character we'll learn is su. 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 Which of these characters is su? Su. Case. Case. Sweets. Sweets. The next character we'll learn is se. 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 Which of these characters is se? Se. Senchi. Senchi. Celery. Celery. Sale. Sale. The final character we'll learn is so. 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 Note that the character so looks very similar to the character n. When writing so, you'll want to make sure that the first stroke is vertical and the second stroke is written from the top down. Which of these characters is so? So. Sauce. Sauce. seesaw. Seesaw. Pasokan. Pasokan. We learned the characters sa, shi, su, se, so. In the next lesson, we'll learn the characters za, ji, zu, ze, zo. See you in the next video.